How does an owner approve repairs with a property manager? Typically, the manager will have the authority to make repairs and perform maintenance on a rental property without the owner's approval. This is because the manager is responsible for maintaining the property in a safe and habitable condition and must act quickly if an issue arises. However, managers should always keep the owners informed about any repairs or maintenance that are being performed and the costs of those repairs. They should provide an estimate or invoice of any repairs that exceed a certain amount of money that are of significant nature. This way, the owner can approve or disapprove the repairs and have a clear understanding of the costs and status of the property. The property management agreement should specify the procedures and cost limits of the repairs and maintenance and the method of communication between the property manager and owner. At Wolfnest, all of our owners are notified of all maintenance issues as they arise, and we will address and resolve all repair requests.